How to see liked reels on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. Once you do that, you want to click on the profile icon at the bottom right and then click on the three lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list, you want to click on your activity and then click on interactions and then click on likes. And here you will be able to find all of the reels that you have liked on your account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find liked Instagram reels. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.